In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can turn on screen recording on your iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Pro Max. Now, it's super simple, but make sure you watch the video the whole way through to ensure you get every step correct and you don't miss anything out. Now, one more thing, before I get into the video, if you do find this useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below that it helped you so that other people get the same advice. So let's get right into it. Now, what you want to do is go onto your iPhone, and you actually want to go into the settings tab. Scroll down to control center, and then down here it's going to give you a list of different widgets that you can add, and one of them here should be screen recording. Now once you find screen recording, there's a little green plus next to it. What you want to do is you want to tap on that green plus, and it's going to add it to your it's going to allow you to use it. So you can see I've done it there and it's now up here. So now I can back out and go onto the home screen, and if I swipe down here, you're going to see that the screen recording thing is now at the bottom corner here, like that. Now all I need to do is tap that. It's going to give me a countdown at the top, and boom, we're actually screen recording now, and we're ready to go. And that's how you do it. So if you found this video useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below that this helps other people get the same advice. Thank you for watching.